change guitars.
Well, that's nitpicking, isn't it? There we go. Yeah. There we go. Yeah.
And I learned one yesterday the other day from Jason. He said no, our first band was named Aurora.
Well, Richard would know that.
No. The very first name. No.
Patchwork.
That's the very first name that we pulled out. The very first name that was pulled out. Yeah. Well, before then, the band was called White Shadow.
Oh, he's full of crap.
I'm telling you the truth. It was a very heavy
Produce.
name.
We were produce for a
White
while.
Shadow.
Produce.
Remember when we were produce?
Produce. There you go.
Produce. No, I know things.
Yeah, I was a carrot.
No, you were a character.
A character. Yeah. That's one who eats a lot of
Well,
carrots.
back then I used to eat a lot of coleslaw. I really liked coleslaw.
Yeah.
But then that gave me musical fruit, you know.
Oh my gosh, here he goes again. This is not.
Somehow we've
This is like a
regressed
Geico
back to-
commercial. This is
we've
not
gone
things
back to
we say that other
preparation age
people
again.
want to hear.
Okay, here we go. Little.
Back in the 90s,